Section 13. The next letter we are going to learn to write is a consonant. The sound is h, h for house. I want you to find the letter h on page 13 in your book. Page 13 looks like this. We are going to work with the sound h. Say the sound and words after me. For hammer. For hat. Let's read it again. For hammer. For hat. We are now going to practice writing the sound. Put your pointing finger on the first. I'm going to show you how to write the sound. We start at the top, all the way down, straight down, back up, halfway up, and round. I'm going to show you again. We start at the top, straight down, halfway up, and round. I want you to trace the letter with your pointing finger. Now take a crayon and trace the first h. Now that you have traced the first letter, we are going to the second letter. Put your finger on the second. I'm now going to show you how to write the second. We start at the top, all the way down, halfway back up and round. I want you to trace it with your finger. And then take a crayon and trace the second. Now that you have traced the second letter, we are going to the last letter. Put your finger on the last. I'm going to show you how to write the down, back up, and round. Trace it with your finger, and then take a crayon and trace the last. Let's read it again. For hammer. For hat. Now that you have practiced writing the letter h, see if you can write it on your own. Remember to start at the top and go down. If you had finished writing the letter h, you can color in the house. H for house. I stay in a house with my family. Well done. Give yourself a hug and say, I am a star. Now go to classroom 1, section 14.